let's check out this extremely cool car washing glove or a mitten basically. So, and this is what it looks like. If you go on AliExpress, for example, if you are like a new user, you can purchase this for literally like $1. So I'll actually leave a link where I actually got mine. So I think this is best seller for these gloves, and also the quality is actually really decent. So again, if you like basically existing user, still these cost somewhere a bit under like $3. So again, still very cheap. So but again, check the link I'll basically leave to the cheapest place where I actually got mine, and where you can basically got it for the best quality as well. So basically this is what it looks like. By the way, this is actually not my first unit of these, so I actually had this mitten basically in past as well, and I purchased another one, as it actually is really good. So it's actually like super soft over here. At the back, I do not think it actually looks at premium, so it resembles basically Chinese goods, so so maybe it's not the most stylish looking on the back, but still it really does the job. So we have this like separator over here that we can basically put our hand in like this, and basically it's actually like secure, and you can easily wash your car with. Again, once you actually like moisten it up and put water on it, again it can actually like get rid of dirt from your car very easily, and I really like the pleasant touch on this. So again, as long as you keep it clean, basically out of like mud and dirt, this is like very gentle on your car, and you can't really scratch it. Again, my first one, I literally used it for almost a year before it got kind of like mucky and dirty basically. So, and basically, it needed to be replaced. So again, this can last quite a long time. So again, I can actually highly recommend these units as well. They cost like absolute peanuts. So literally like $1, maybe some a bit more basically if you aren't a new user. But again, check the description and comments I'll leave where I actually got this. So size also is actually like fairly good. So of course it's not like absolutely gigantic, but still it's basically, as you can see, it's larger than my hand basically. So, and if they're actually like super bulky and super large, then basically they flap around, and basically you can't actually get like a good washing experience. But with this one, I think it's actually like really good, and probably one of the better ones on the market. So at this price, absolute bargain. Anyway, good luck.